This is a machine that can achieve mass production. CCD vision system accurately scans product contour features, combing the use of VDLM software to establish task processes. The conveyor belt uniformly transports the product to the marked work area. CCD is sensitive and precise in capturing product features contours for marking. Then realize orderly, disorderly, repeat precise marking multiple times. The software is easy to use, simple to operate and user-friendly. Greatly improve production efficiency. A good solution is recommended to you. Let's see how it turns out. Time to verify. Great! Welcome consulting to know more.